The world is changing, evolving. The bigger the city, the bigger the waste. The bigger the community, the bigger the consumption. While we cannot stop the world from expanding, we can make it more sustainable. To keep up with ongoing change, we need an ongoing solution. A lasting long-term plan that focuses on recyclable products made of renewable raw materials. The use of latest technology enabling reduction in energy, water, and raw material usage. Placing the earth and its residents at the forefront of innovation. Everyone has a story, and ours is the tale of wood. You see, we are MM Kotkamills, a Finnish Forest Products company and a part of MM Group, which is a leading global producer of cartonboard and folding cartons, with an attractive offer in Kraft paper and uncoated fine papers for various end applications. All products in the MM Kotkamills range, Absorbex Saturating Kraft paper and Alaska and ISLA cartonboards are for environmentally sound proposition. We manage and develop our business operations with responsibility for the economy, the environment, society, and people. We also have a vision of creating sustainability through innovation. Since 1872, through continuous steps of evolution in the company, innovation has been our driving force, and our solutions are the future. We've developed a state-of-the-art board machine that has dramatically decreased the consumption of steam, electricity, and water. The result? Direct energy savings, a reward for our future generations. You see, our story is like one big puzzle, each piece contributing towards a picture of our future and our goals. With our suppliers and partners, we work together to accelerate the change for good. Our factory is located right next to the sea, setting high demand for environmental protection. By becoming one with the environment will become one with us.